Woo-wee! This thing flies. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for following and subscribing. Right now, we're going to go back into the shop, get a little dirty. We're going to take apart a 4L75, and I'll show you exactly what makes it a 4L75. Let's get to it. All right, we live, back in action. Got the music going. Disco. First, you need protection. Need gloves. At least try to wear gloves. If not, you're a real man. Sometimes these could be goddamn welded on there, so I give a little wham wham, shake it up a little bit. There it is. 4L75 usually has the blue plug, and count the pins inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pin connector. Makes it 4L75. Alright, ready for the mushy gushy? Get on this side, see how much fluid comes out. I'm going to pour it right here. A little bit. We're going to hook her up though. We're going to put some love in here for her. 13 millimeter. Okay, 1 more 2, ready? Get a little wacky mole. Oh shit. Not too bad. Definitely a lot of, look at all this sludge. Something's definitely burnt out. Look at that, nasty. Loaded with debris. Okay, another observation on a 4L75. No safety neutral switch on the case. The safety neutral switch is in the case, which this is the safety neutral switch. This is a speed sensor. It makes it 4L75 as well. It's plugged into the pump. So check your gears and count your pins. Make sure you order the right transmission from somewhere, or you will order the wrong one. It will not work. So, take the filter off first. First thing I like to take off is this. Takes out a lot of pressure. Look at that thing. Then find yourself a little pick. You're gonna unplug every solenoid. Some of them break. We change every solenoid, so it doesn't matter. And the wire harness. A lot of these break from getting really hot. So heat kills. Put a cooler on there. And then once you have all those unplugged, take another pick or a flathead. There's a clip right here. Let's give it a twist. She's being a bitch. We don't need that, so throw it in the garbage. Put those in there. Next thing you're going to need is 10 millimeter. Things to the side for now. All the 10s, take them off. Alright, this is a plastic accumulator. Got like the crack right here and here. We're going to put aluminum. So you know where this goes? In the garbage. Same thing, 8 millimeter, right here in the back for reverse. Don't lose that. Now sometimes when you take your transmission apart, a check ball might be stuck inside the plate. So keep aware of that. Same thing, 8 millimeter. Pop this out, forward. And again, plastic, we're going to upgrade it to aluminum. So it's going in the garbage. I made that one. Okay, put all that in the basket. Okay, I'm gonna take this EPC solenoid out. We're gonna change it. You know where this goes? The garbage. Oh, I'm on fire. Okay. Go. That one's aluminum, but we're gonna change it anyway. Now you gotta loosen the park linkage a little bit. Get it all the way apart. That's so. Now, while we're right here in this area, you can always take out the servo. Use a screwdriver, just like that. Then once it's out, just kind of walk it around. I give it a little tap tap, pop out a little bit. Right there, once it's out, you can grab a pick. Try to grab that. Once you break it, you can actually grab it. Oh, there we go. Now that's broke. Pop comes right out. This is a servo. We're gonna upgrade it for the Corvette servo. Put that to the side. We're gonna take this clip off right here if you want to upgrade it to. You could do this while it's in the vehicle as well. Take out your old servo and put a Corvette servo. In the kits, they come with a heavy-duty spring, so we're going to throw that away. Got to put some pressure on it. It's a big spring. Now this is so big, we're going to throw it in the garbage because this is not a Corvette servo. I'm going to save this stuff, reuse that. And that. Now we're going to the front pump. First, take your O-ring off. Now once you get that off, 13. That goes out, a flathead screwdriver. Bring the camera right here. You're gonna give it a nice pry. Oops, sorry. Just like that. And then, voila. There's the pump ski. Now take the screwdriver right here. See the band, how it's holding it on? Give it a good smackaroo, like that. See how it just popped off? Don't even touch the band. Just grab it. Comes right out. This is second and fourth gear, and you can see it's been eaten up right here. You can see the nice marks in it. So, second and fourth, he definitely had a problem. This drum's a little rough. This is another thing that makes it a 4L75. Speed sensor on input drum. Okay, next thing is you can shine the light down in there. There's a snap ring right here. You're gonna get these little needle nose. Here it is. No, here we go. Wow, Jesus. Okay. Grab it by the sun shell right in here with two hands. Pull. All of that will come out. We're gonna upgrade this. Better sun shell. Oh, that way. Okay. Next thing you're gonna need to do is get another screwdriver and a pick. A little edge. Find the opening, which is over here or here. Put a little bit of the screwdriver in there and grab it backside with the pick. And once you got it in there, sneak your hand in and grab it and let it slingshot out. Just like that. Now, you need to get something to hit the shaft out so you get all the planetary out and low reverse out. So, you either pick it up on the bench, or go like that. And now, everything is going to come right out. Get it.